Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch screen from its original LED strip to our LSR series LED kits. This LSR series including one of the LSR series LED strips, MS610 LED driver, and then one connector with red and black wires. Let's set aside the kit and take a look at the screen number. The screen number is made by, it's a brand new screen, it's made by NEC. Okay, NL8060BC26-35. So it's using LVDS interface. It has its LED strip here. You're gonna see it later. Before you do that, I have a controller board that I try to test it to compare the difference. This I will use our, because their screen have a three LED strings on the backlight, original backlight. So I adjust some values on our driver to drive its assistant inverter strip. LED strips. So I just connect like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna connect this one back. I have my meter here. I'm going to test it. So hopefully you can see it better. I have a meter. So let me find out my signal generators. I connect the VGAs. Here connect. I need to connect 12 volts. Based on its data sheet on the NL8060BC26-35, typically it has about 400 nits. Okay, so let's flick over. I have here. So remember, there's still one clear plastic protective film on the top. I don't want to remove that. That will reduce the brightness level. Okay. 337.66. Let's be sure you can see it. So 337. All right. 336. So each have make it 3 times. So it's about right. Typical 400, because if we remove this protective film, it probably at least 50 or 70 needs more. Well, we just finished testing this screen with its original LED. So let's disconnect this connector. Now we can go back to upgrade to our LED strips. Our LED kits. Okay. So this one's always like NEC. They always have a plastic clip. Show it here. Okay, this clip. After you clip, push it down, pull it out. See? This is the LED strip, the three strands or 3 channels. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Ours is quite easy. This is ours. We're gonna actually just stick it in. Same thing. Push up. Add a piece of wire, a tape to secure the wires. Connect to this end. This I'm going to connect. You can connect to between 12 to 24 volt positive to red, and then ground to negative on the black wire. That's it. Then we're gonna reconnect it back, and we're gonna test it, see what the difference on the next video. Okay, I connect back to the controllers. This is LED driver. I'm gonna connect to 24 volts. Okay, 24 volt, and let me turn on the color bar generator. So I'm going to connect 24 volt. I'm going to connect a 12 volt here. I'm going to turn on my meters. Okay, 1654, 1654. 1650. 1660. So let's say 1600 nits. Wow, what a difference. This is taken by the meters. So it's quite easy to upgrade. Probably take you 15 minutes. Okay. Thank you for watching.